What is the life of the tire on your vehicle? Depending on what tire you're using, it could be anywhere around the 50, 60, 70,000 kilometer mark. But what if I told you that there's a tire out there that can see you through a whole 1 lakh kilometers? Say hello to the new CEAT Mileage X5. It is an evolution of the already popular Mileage X3 and is better on every count. More fuel efficiency, longer life, better rolling resistance, and comes packing a whole lot of new technology. Today, we're spending some time with the new CEAT Mileage X5 trying to understand it a little better. And we're going deep. We're even going to get a cross-section of the tire to really dig through the details. Welcome to Evo India. Subscribe to stay updated. And now, let's get technical. Let's talk about what's new on the X5. The big change from the Mileage X3 to the X5 is the tire cavity shape. And this is fundamental to the 1 lakh kilometer claim. This new cavity shape allows you to get both life and fuel efficiency from the tire. The cavity shape determines your tread width and consequently your contact patch. And this is crucial for better fuel efficiency. And secondly, the cavity also determines the non-skid depth or the depth of the tread, and that determines the life of the tire. In addition to this, there are new compounds used across the tire to make it have a longer life and better rolling resistance. And I know what you're thinking. How does a tire with low rolling resistance also give you good traction? The secret is in the tire compound. A tire is made up of all different compounds, each having a different role to play. The cap compound is what sits on top of the tread and actually touches the road. In the Mileage X5, this compound is a carbon black compound, and that allows the tire to have a longer life while ensuring optimum traction. This ensures the tires are always secure on the road. Meanwhile, the sidewalls are made of a silica-based compound, and this is what delivers good rolling resistance. All of this combines to give the Mileage X5 good rolling resistance, good traction, and a long life simultaneously. The Mileage X5 also gets a stiffer belt to help with traction. Another reason for the increased life of the Mileage X5 is the reinforced sidewall. CEAT has added dual plies to maintain the tire life even in bad road conditions. India's roads aren't great, let's be honest about that, but these tires are built for India, for Indian road conditions, and they truly work well on our roads. Stiffer sidewalls can have an impact on the comfort side of things, but it isn't drastic by any measure. Now, let's talk about the patented tire alignment and life indicator. Do you know that the good part of a tire's life can be lost due to bad wheel alignment? Chances are that most of us have minor alignment issues that we're not noticing, and that's chewing through our rubber faster than it should. The CEAT Mileage X5 comes with these 5 star-like symbols which vary in depth on the tire. By comparing the wear on both sides of the tire, it is possible to track uneven wear and take corrective action. The best part? Unlike traditional indicators that wear out very quickly, this system remains active throughout the tire's lifespan. So if you have a misalignment, even at say 80,000 kilometers, you will know. Tire alignment and tire life are also safety critical, and CEAT is pushing for safe motoring with their innovations on this front. In conclusion, the Mileage X5 from CEAT goes a step ahead in all respects. It offers excellent life while ensuring fuel efficiency. The best bit is it's available for a wide variety of cars. It is available in a whole host of tire sizes ranging from 12 inches to 16-inch wheels. And that covers a lot of the popular models on sale in the Indian market today. That's it from us today on the Evo India channel with the Mileage X5. For more technical deep dives, stay subscribed to the Evo India channel.